What are you making?
I don't know. Oh, but John.
What are these for?
Uncle John.
They're for Uncle John? You think he's gonna love them?
Yep.
Cookie's distracted.
She's chewing.
Look how strong you are.
Look out, babe!
Babe, you're in the highway.
With a lay on.
Look at her. Her little feet.
Over here.
Okay, Quinn.
She takes a bite.
Let's see you go.
Go, Quinn, go.
Go strong. Go strong, girl.
You guys.
Hard to get started on a hill.
Yay.
Wow!
Girl. Good girl. That's strong.
Whoa.
You got blue toes and red toes.
Yeah.
Yikes! Ran over the
Shar has the same
Wait, you better out of the
pattern.
Good job.
How's your foot? Still hurts?
I just took another pill, so
Oh boy.
I'm zippy zappy.
Oh boy. You think?
Shut up, don't say
That's what I said too.
What channel is it?
So cute.
269.
Groovy. Oh, there's a bun. I was looking for one of these English muffins.
Move on.
Alright, so whenever we're ready. In the meantime, I'm gonna have an English muffin. With the rest of my steak.
Here's Charlotte's
Yeah,
sandwich.
they have direct TV. We have 5.
I don't know how to use it.
Hi, Shar. Hi, Mama. Hi. That's the most beautiful flower I've ever seen. Grandma made that for you? Wow, a kiss. Oh, that's a forever flower. That's like Peppa Pig's forever flowers. They never go away.
Also known as
Max and Ruby has, oh, that's where I knew from. Max and Ruby has forever flowers.
I'm gonna go host it. Hear me?
Yeah.
Mommy, Dad, you put a steak place, Daddy.
On the counter. Using my. Ready?
Ready?
Oh! You know what?
What?
Reese?
Okay. Go slow.
one drawback of the siding that it
My
fouls
ear.
up so quickly.
Oh, on 3, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear John and George. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you, wow.
Yay, John.
Just in case you were figuring it out.
That was his thinking.
Show a picture to George.
Saying a word.
Show
I am. I will. I'll send it to George.
Take a picture of the
red one teeth in it,
You look great. You look great.
yeah. Very nice.
You think it was Christmas? Holy smokes. Are we going to get spoiled?
Yeah, we're past the get point.
Or